Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have been wanting to make some extra cash and maybe even build a future fortune, you're in the right place. Today I'm diving deep into the world of AI side hustles. These are the hustles that have potential to make you rich. Yes, you hear that right. So grab a notebook and let's get started on exploring how these innovative opportunities can boost your income. Alright, let's kick things off with our first AI side, also creating AI hacks. Have you heard of platforms like Midjourney or Dali? So these tools let you create stunning, unique artworks just by typing in a few words. You can sell your creations as digital downloads or even prints. Plus, there is a growing market for AI generated arts out there. So making this a fun and creative way to earn some money. Moving on to the second also AI content, right? If you enjoy writing or have a knack for storytelling, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help people create blog posts, articles, or social media content. Many businesses are looking for quality content to engage their customer. So why not offer your services as a freelance content writer? With AI by your side, you can produce high quality work in less time. Now, let's talk about AI powered social media management. If you are good at managing social media and understanding what makes people tick, using AI tools to analyze trends and create content can be a game changer. You can start a side also managing social media accounts for small businesses. Use AI to find trending hashtags, analyze engagements, and schedule posts. Businesses are always on the lookout for help in this area. So the fourth also on our list is AI-based dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular way to start an online store without holding inventory. With AI tools, you can analyze market trends, find lucrative products to sell. So you can easily automate parts of your dropshipping business like inventory management and customer support, making it easier to scale your income while you sleep. Lastly, we have AI tutoring and coaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider offering online tutoring or coaching services. Use AI tools to create personalized learning plans and resources for your students. You can teach anything from math to digital marketing, and AI can help you provide tailored supports, making your services even more valuable. And there you have it. So five amazing AI side also that could potentially make you rich. Remember, success takes time, commitment, and a little creativity. So, but with these AI tools in your corner, you can significantly boost your income. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on building your wealth. So I want to hear from you. Which of these AI side also are you most excited to try? So, or do you have other AI opportunities in mind? Let's chat in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay inspired and keep hustling. Bye.